Hello and welcome to this special broadcast of the Exam Mess. I'm Sneha Mordani. Now, since the 4th of June, the country has been hit by protests over allegations of paper leak and the astounding marking of full marks in NEET to 67 students, the perfect score, 720 out of 720. The court has stepped in and the grace remarks are being removed as the chorus grows for re-examination. On the 19th of June, that is the day after the UGC NET exams were held, the centre cancelled it after reports of integrity of exam being compromised. This truly is the exam mess, and that's our focus in this special broadcast. But first, let's understand what really is the uproar about over the NEET.
720 नंबर पे कुछ 69 बच्चे होंगे जितनी एम्स दिल्ली में सीट नहीं है।
दो बच्चों के 718 और 719 मार्क्स आए हैं जो कि प्रैक्टिकली इम्पॉसिबल है।
सेम सीरीज रोल नंबर के बच्चे हैं, बच्चों के सरनेम नहीं है और ये AIR 1 और कॉन्जिक्यूटिव रैंक स्कोर कर रहे हैं एक ही सेंटर से। हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
67 toppers in NEET this time. It is said to be one of the most difficult exams to crack in India. Many people do not make it despite several attempts, but this year has proven to be quite different.
मैंने नीट एग्जाम को पास किया है, मेरे 720 में से 720 आया है।
मेरा भी यही सपना था कि अब एम्स दिल्ली में जाकर के इस देश के लिए मुझे सर्व करना है।
मैंने कोचिंग के अलावा 5 to 6 hours सेल्फ स्टडी को दिया था।
67 toppers. Compare this to 2023 when only 2 students managed to score a perfect 720 on 720. But how did this happen? Many students have alleged malpractice.
सामने आ रहा है कि ये वाले जो बच्चे हैं ये सेम सेंटर को बिलोंग करते हैं। लाइक एक सेंटर से इतनी सारी AIR 1, how is this possible?
We have already witnessed a case of NEET aspirant dying by suicide in Kota.
भी फर्स्ट ईयर 12th के संग उसने दिया था, जिसके पास बहुत टाइम था, 17-18 साल की उम्र रही होगी और अच्छा कर सकती थी। पता नहीं क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, मैं नहीं कह सकती।
Some students raise concerns about paper leaks. Even though NTA rubbished the reports of NEET paper leak, in Bihar 13 people were arrested for NEET UG paper leak case. And then there is chaos because of the introduction of grace marks in the last hour.
718 नंबर पहली बार नीट में आए हैं। कभी 718 नंबर हो ही नहीं सकते थे क्योंकि ये +4-1 का एग्जाम है। 718 नंबर कोई मीनिंग नहीं। जस्टिफिकेशन ये आया है कि नॉर्मलाइजेशन लगाया है, कुछ बच्चों ने एग्जाम देर में शुरू किया था, तो 720 वाले ने अगर देर से शुरू किया था उसका 721 हो जाएगा क्या?
ग्रे एरिया में पता नहीं पड़ रहा कितने बच्चों को मिला, किस बेसिस पे मिला, ये पता नहीं पड़ रहा।
Let's break it down for you with some simple math. NEET exam consists of 180 questions. Students get 180 minutes to solve these questions. Each correct answer carries 4 marks and 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer. Going by this, it is impossible for students to attain marks like 718 or 719 that has been witnessed this year around. So how was this made possible? In multiple exam centers, students complained of receiving their question papers wrong or OMR sheets late. This was witnessed in many centers like in Rajasthan, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Mumbai, Gujarat and Orissa. This means that they did not have the adequate time to finish one question in 1 minute. To make up for this, the NTA clarified that after receiving court cases from the candidates of NEET 2024, it adopted a normalization formula to address the loss of time. Going by what the physics wala said, grace marks have been given for the time lost. For instance, in Mankund, Maharashtra, where students complained of receiving the OMR sheets an hour late, they were given grace marks for 60 questions. So that comes down to 60 questions in 4 marks, which is 360 marks. And so such candidates scored 718 or 719. Now the NTA has clarified that of the 67 toppers, some benefited from the revised answer key, while a total of 1,563 candidates were compensated for the time lost.
650 नंबर नीट में बहुत नंबर हुआ करते थे एक जमाने में। आज 650 नंबर पे भी जो बच्चा आया है वो भी गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में नहीं जा पाएगा।
Because of the whole chaos, many students are urging for a re-examination. And here's why the whole situation is really problematic. The medical entrance test offers over 1 lakh MBBS seats, of which around 50% are in government colleges. These are the most sought after colleges for their education quality and low fees. This time, around 23 lakh students appeared for NEET. But higher cutoff scores mean that even high achieving students may struggle to gain admission to premier medical colleges, causing feelings of unfairness and added stress.
पूरे के पूरे नंबर लाने के बाद भी आज बहुत से बच्चे एम्स दिल्ली नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे। तो एग्जाम का पैटर्न कुछ अजीब हो चुका है। 720 नंबर पे कुछ 69 बच्चे होंगे जितनी एम्स दिल्ली में सीट नहीं है। अब एक बच्चा 720 से ज्यादा कितने नंबर ले आए कि उसको
Let's now take a look at how things unfolded in the month of June. Well, it really started from the 5th of May 2024 when the NEET exam was first conducted. A month later, on the 4th of June, the result was announced. On the 8th of June, the Ministry of Education and the NTA set up a high-powered committee to review the results of the 1,563 candidates in question here. Then again, on the 10th of June, scores of students protested in Delhi, seeking a probe into alleged irregularities. Again, on the 11th of June, a day later, the Supreme Court issued notice to the Union Government and the National Testing Agency on a petition seeking the cancellation of the National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test, NEET exams, held this year for the UG medical courses over an alleged paper leak. On the 13th of June again, the Centre informed the Supreme Court that the decision, in fact, to grant grace marks to 1,563 NEET UG 2024 candidates for admission to MBBS, to BDS and other courses has been rescinded. On the 15th of June, plea in Supreme Court seeking scrapping of NEET UGC exam, court-monitored CBI probe. That was the demand. On the 20th of June, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said isolated incidents of malpractices should not affect lakhs of students who cleared the examination rightfully. Again, on the 20th of June, the Supreme Court sought response from the central government and the National Testing Agency on pleas seeking cancellation of NEET UG 2024 exams. On the 20th of June again, the Supreme Court in its order stayed the proceedings before the state high courts after hearing the plea filed by the NTA and issued notices on the agency's plea on the same issue in connection with this year's National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test exam. On the 21st of June, the Supreme Court again declined to stay the process of counselling in the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Undergraduate 2024, issuing a notice to the NTA which conducts this examination. Well, in the meantime, students' plight has taken a political turn in Bihar. Amidst the ongoing investigation into the NEET paper leak, the RJD shared a photo of another accused in this case, Amit Anand, with Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary, sparking a political controversy. Here is a detailed report.
Students on the warpath against alleged NEET paper leak in Patna, Bihar. The accused in the case have confessed, triggering a big political storm. The Bihar Economic Offences Unit is probing the link between Tejasvi Yadav's PA, Pritam Kumar, and the alleged mastermind, Sikandar Yadav. The EOU claims that the guest house where 4 NEET aspirants were made to memorize answers to the NEET question paper was allegedly booked by Tejasvi's PA. The former Bihar Deputy Chief Minister has called the charges a bid to divert attention.
केंद्र में सरकार उनकी, जांच एजेंसियां उनकी, हम ही कहते हैं मुख्यमंत्री जी को बुला ले मेरे साइड को, अरे चाहे पीए हो, पीएस हो, कोई हो, बुला करके पूछताछ कर ले। जो अमित आनंद है, जो आपका नीतीश कुमार है, ये कौन लोग हैं? इनको क्यों बचाना चाहते हैं ये लोग? क्यों ये लोग जो है डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं इशू को?
In a big counter, the RJD, Tejasvi's party, has now released images of the current Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary with one of the accused, Amit Anand. Amit is currently in custody and has confessed to his involvement in the NEET paper leak. The Economic Offences Unit has also recovered burnt question papers, answer keys and post-dated checks from Anand's residence.
एक चीज समझिए, पॉलिटिकल तौर पर कोई मिला हो तो मिल सकता है, लेकिन एकदम स्पष्ट रहिए, मैं व्यक्तिगत संबंध किसी से नहीं हो सकता है। ये पूरी तरह जिस पर भी है, जिन लोगों ने भी गलत किया है, उस पर पूर्ण रूप से कार्रवाई करनी।
सत्ता में बैठ के सत्ता के रसूख का दुरुपयोग करने वाले लोग जवाब देने के बजाय बरगलाने का और घुमाने का खेल, भरमाने का खेल न खेलें। पूरी तरह से सरकार सजग है, गलत करने वाले लोग बचेंगे नहीं।
But it isn't confined to Bihar. The NEET fire is raging across the country, with students hitting the streets in protest, in the wake of India Today's relentless spotlight on the story. The opposition has continued to corner the Modi government over the exam mess.
30 लाख छात्र चाहता है कि आपने जिस तरह से यूजीसी नेट का एग्जाम रद्द करके दोबारा कराने की बात की है, वैसे नीट के 30 लाख छात्र, उनके अभिभावक कल राहुल गांधी जी से घर पे मिले। उनकी मांग है कि ये भी एग्जाम रद्द होकर दोबारा से कराया जाए और नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी नकारा, निकम्मी, भ्रष्टाचार का अपना पेपर लीक माफियाओं का अड्डा बन चुकी है, उसे भंग किया जाए।
हम पेपर लीक तो बंद नहीं कर सके, हम यूक्रेन की लड़ाई की बात करते हैं। तो मैं समझता हूं कि ये बहुत बड़ा अन्याय है, जाती है। इसके ऊपर गंभीरता से विचार करते हुए सीबीआई अगर इंक्वायरी होनी है तो मेरे को लगता कि किसी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सिटिंग जज के देख रेख के नीचे ये इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए।
The academic future of crores of students remains uncertain. With Aditya Vaibhav and Rohit Singh in Patna, Bihar, Bureau Report, India Today.